Julie Blanner from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, home decor, recipes, and so much more. Today I'm going to share something that's less than perfect with you. It's so frustrating, but yesterday I got home from Trader Joe's and was so excited about my flower haul that I just threw them into a bucket, filled them with water, and said to myself, oh, I'll do these tomorrow. Unfortunately, they're not looking so great today. In fact, most of the hydrangea are pretty sad. Now I could do one of two things. I could cry or I could try to revive them. So we're going to do the latter. Let's get started. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug up my sink and fill it with really cold water. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and stick the heads of the really sad hydrangea into the cold water. We're going to allow them to soak for 15 minutes, say a few prayers, and hope for the best. Now you might think to yourself I'm a little bit crazy, but I purchased 3 bunches of hydrangea, which is about $18. So if I can save it, by all means I want to, especially because I don't want to run back to the store to get started for another project. Okay, now we're going to give them a fresh cut and remove their leaves and stick them in water. You'll notice that I'm running them underwater while I give them a cut. Really want their stems to soak it up. We can worry about arranging them later. Right now it's all about life-saving measures. And we'll check back in on these guys in just a little bit. Okay y'all, several hours later, after being drenched in water and then refrigerated, here are the results. We've got 4 stems that didn't fare so well, and 3 that did, 3 that came back to life. And these look good as new, they're pretty firm. One of them is a little on the loose side, but be perfect to pack into an arrangement. And there you have it. It's the easiest trick to bring back hydrangea to life. So let's see here, 3 out of 7, that's not bad, right? Anyways, for more easy tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. I look forward to seeing you again soon.